As you are shifting, you will begin to realize you are not the same person you used to be. The things you used to tolerate have now become intolerable. Where you once remained quiet, you are now speaking your truth. Where you once battled and argued, you are now choosing to remain silent. You are beginning to understand the value of your voice, and there are some situations that no longer deserve your time, energy, and focus. Don't be impressed by money, followers, degrees, titles. Be impressed by humility, integrity, generosity, kindness. Self-control is strength. Calmness is mastery. You have to get to a point where your mood doesn't shift based on the insignificant actions of someone else. Don't allow others to control the direction of your life. Don't allow your emotions to overpower your intelligence. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. Grow silently. You should not be afraid of someone who has a library and reads many books. You should fear someone who has only one book, and he considers it sacred but has never read it. You can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. It is better to be a warrior in a garden than to be a gardener in a war. The problem with the world is that the intelligent people are full of doubts, while the stupid ones are full of confidence. One of the most cowardly things ordinary people do is to shut their eyes to facts. He who has no enemies is killed by his friends. If you want to kill a big dream, tell it to small-minded people.